Let's review this powerful ultrasonic cleaner. This was gifted to me from the company, so I can make this review for you. My honest thoughts and opinions. So this has a 45,000 high frequency, which is millions of bubbles to clean and remove stubborn stains on your dentures, retainers, dental appliances, and even jewelry. So multifactorial here. You can use it totally two different worlds. Jewelry and also any dental devices you need to. It has a UV lamp, which is underneath, you can see right here. It's 360 sterilization, which is eliminating of odors and bacteria. And we use electric toothbrushes now, and that does way better than a manual toothbrush. And so probably about time that we use something stronger than just a toothbrush to clean your dental devices and even your jewelry. So it has a max limit that you can fill the water to, and for dentures you can put cleaning solution, mouth rinse in there as well. And that has a little tray that sits in here too if you want to put for your jewelry to drain your jewelry. As you pick it out right here, you can place it here to dry, which it comes with these little tongs, which is really handy. It comes also with a full set of instructions. You're able to know exactly how to use this and the correct amount of time for each type of appliance. This device is quiet, it's lightweight, easy to rinse out, to dump out, to move around, to do what you need to. Such a great solution for making sure that your dental devices and your jewelry stay clean.